Alright, we arrived in Melinda's island. Uh, it's just sad because we're coming here to put her in rest. We did not have a chance to spend together in her beautiful island that she always says so. Did not happen. It's not easy for me to be here. It's not easy for me to be here because this is not supposed to be, but all of us is going there. She just went first. Yeah, this is her beautiful island. Friend and family is here, and she chose to be here. It's not easy. 26 years. 26 years of friendship that but she managed to come to my country and spend time with me. But in the moment she's there, she's already suffering and fighting for cancer. Now I'm finally here, but not to enjoy, to put her in rest. I love